As part of our Proudly Overbuilt commitment to elevate the standard, Homes by Tabor takes extra steps to optimize indoor air quality for our customers. Oklahoma City was rated the third worst place to live when you have allergies. The weather changes quickly here, stirring up allergens and making people absolutely miserable. Tabor homes are built to be energy efficient with certified scores that prove they are around 50% more energy efficient than the standard new home, which means they are built airtight and bad air gets trapped inside the house. According to the EPA, the air you breathe inside is 3 to 5 times more polluted than the air outside, and we don't think that's acceptable. That's why every home we build includes healthy home technology with a fresh air intake system, whole home air filtration system, and stovetop ventilation system to vent through the roof. First, we bring outdoor fresh air into every home we build through our fresh air intake system. Then we filter that fresh air through our full home air filtration system. Our full home air filtration system includes a MERV 13 hospital-grade air filter versus the standard MERV 4 used in most homes. The MERV 4 filters out the bare minimum, putting the dirty air back into your home. The MERV 13 filters out dust, pollen, fungus, lint, pet dander, bacteria, viruses, and other airborne allergens that a standard MERV 4 filter doesn't stand a chance against. Moisture from things like hot showers, laundry, and cooking are also filtered out. If that moisture stays inside your home, it's a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Which system would you want protecting your family? Finally, we built the ventilation system above the cooktop to vent through the roof so smoke and odors from cooking end up outside instead of being stuck inside your home. So whether you're fast asleep or wide awake, you'll know that your home is a healthy home where you can count on exceptional indoor air quality.